Come test drive the 2025 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, body color door handles, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Your new ride is just a phone call away.